Hi guys, welcome back to episode 3 of my home makeover where I make over my home myself. So right now I'm showing you guys this view, more of a close-up so you guys can see. The view is actually really good. And this is from the other side. The kitchen is actually there. I am here installing those vinyl wood floorings. I love these floorings. They're very easy to install. They really last. They are not slippery. Not only they're going to be aesthetically more pleasing, they're also going to prevent a lot of slip accidents. And trust me, those glossy tiles, I have slipped on them before and almost went to hospital. Almost. This is the progress after like 40 minutes. More progress. It took like almost 5 hours to finish the living room myself. I'm pretty happy with it. And the next day I started installing these rolling blinds so that we could see the view if I wanted to and just roll it down if it's too sunny. So we used some electric drill and just keep doing it. This took hours, man. Really long process. This was the process. There's a few more to go. That is done. It's pretty good, I think. It's nice. As you can see, everything is still really messy. The sofa is not in the right color because I want this to be like a beige white theme living room, but it's a lot better than how it started. Now, this is the view in the evening, and that's my cat. Super pretty view. Still long progress. I bought these wainscoting panels from Shopee. They are very affordable, but you have to cut it yourself. I want to make like a nice wainscoting wall. So we started the next morning, used wall glue to stick it on. Again, I think this took almost 2 days to finish because you have to cut it, measure it, wait for it to dry. But this was a fun process. I like seeing how the white wall turned into like something European, something modern European, I would call it. This is the final look of the wainscoting. And oh yeah, in case you guys didn't notice, that wall lamp, it's actually rechargeable. You just have to screw it on the wall and charge it. And then finally started with the sofa. We have to change the color, reupholster the whole sofa. I bought this material that kind of is similar to PU leather, but apparently your cats cannot scratch it through. I hope so. So my mom started making the whole upholstery. We are just covering it up. So yeah, my mom knows how to make the sofa cover, but I don't. She also made some pillows with the same material. So this is after us reupholstering the whole sofa. There's a little bit more things to do, like the table isn't really right. We're gonna put some of these mirror stickers on top of the table just so it can blend together. This is the final look of the living room. Beautiful view from the living room. That is the art wall that I did. This is a raining season view. I also added like this jellyfish lamp, some small little sofas on the back. I love this little jellyfish lamp. That is the corner, the window area. These orchids that I've just bought. This is a close-up of the wall-mounted lights. So this is the before, and this is the after. Thank you for watching my home makeover, guys. The next episode we have my kitchen, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions, any comments, and see you on the next. Bye.